Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this lecture we're going to talk about another thing in a Bootstrap, the progress bar. Something really interesting. So how we just can make a progress bar in a Bootstrap. We just simply need to make a div first of all. And when you're just working on Bootstrap, you need to do the second thing is the classes. So here I'm just making the div. Okay, that's done. Now I'm just going inside this div here, and I'm adding the class to making this div as a progress bar. Okay, I've just made this div a progress bar. Now the second thing I just need to do is to go inside this uh, the div, and then I just need to make something more, the div, and then just going inside the class, the spelling must be complete, and then here the another progress, but here I'm just clarifying that it's actually the progress bar. Now what more I just need to put the style, and this is actually something really interesting I'm doing with 50%. Okay, now save it, and I just need to go to the browser to check if it's working fine. I'm just here and refreshing the page, so there is the progress bar I've just made a few minutes ago. So right here I'm just putting a heading h1 just to show you progress bar. Okay, nothing big. Now go to the browser back, and here if you just refresh the page, so now you can see that here it's a progress bar, it's 50%. If you just decrease it to 20%, now refresh that, you will be seeing that the blue color is now only 20%. Okay, that's cool. Also you can play as you just made the width, you also can make the heights. So to change the height of the progress bar, I'm just making the height here, and the value for the height I'm just putting is something like 30 pixels. Here I just cannot put the percent again, because it will be really begin it will be really hard to understand the height with height percent, because the screen height can be a lot bigger, or actually they can be variable. So by the way, the height I've put it here, and it's not showing up. That means I just need to check things out. Oh, I didn't put the height here. Actually, okay, I've just made the height of this thing, but this is still smaller, so it's crossing uh, this height and making underflow. So I'm just making the another style here, and just making the height 30 pixels again. Going back to the browser and refreshing that, now you can see that it's increased. So as big as you want, you can just make it on your own, like 100 and 100 again. Oh, I just made the 1000, but I just need 100. So refresh that, now you can see that a bigger progress bar. This is how you can simply make the progress bar. And also, if you just want text inside the bar, so put the text and refresh that, now you can see that there is a text, the progress bar. Okay, now you can see that the text is here. When I just put the text inside the progress bar, the actual div, the nested div of the main progress. So now you can see that we've got the text here and there too. We also can do something like 20%. Okay, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that, now you'll be seeing the 20% text here. That means here we're just clarifying that this progress bar is 20%. Okay, that's awesome. Another awesome thing is changing the color into different Bootstrap templates. So here you can see that the Bootstrap, the progress bar. So I just need to be here inside this and put in space and put the BG I'm just putting BG warning. So save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that it became the orange, the warning color. If I just simply copy that, paste here, paste here, and paste here, I'm making multiples, so I can put the ones I just want here. The I think I just made a mistake in spelling, so save it. Now go back to the browser and refresh that. Here you can see that the color is changed. To just get the real thing, I just can do one more thing, just changing the sizes. And yeah, this is still the 20% because it's actually not the programmed thing, but some manual texting stuff. So by the way, just making this info, and again I'm just making it 30% and 30% again, and here I'm just making this a little different. Let's just see what I've made so far. And there I'm going back to there, and here this one I'm just changing. Well, you can apply all of the Bootstrap elements. This is not necessary for me to teach you every single element. I'm just showing you that we can just do that. So by the way, why not we just go to the next step. I'm just making something more interesting here. Progress bar stripped. Save. Now go back to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that there are the strips. Wherever you want to add the strips, you can just put the progress bar strip. And also here, this one I'm just making is progress bar animated. Now save this again and go back to the browser and refresh that. So there you can see that. Oh, come on. Did I make any mistake? Progress bar animated. It's fine. Oh man, one thing I just forgot that. Okay, I just want this animated, but what animation I just want to play? I just want to play this strips running throughout this one. So for making the strip running, first of all, we just need the strips too. So progress bar secondary. Oops, I was just watching the previous one. Strip. Save, and now go to the browser back and refresh that. Now you'll be able to see the running strips. This is how it works. So I think now we've just got this one. Now we're just gonna cross the level with the 50% one. This is the 50% one. I'm just putting the line break, and inside the same progress bar I'm just putting the line breaks there too, so you'll be understanding that there are not a single one but multiple ones, so now you can notice them in a more clearer way. Okay, this one, the second one, I'm just making another div. This is something really interesting I'm doing, and you should focus on what I'm doing if you're just really interested to learn the progress bars and different stuff you can do with the progress bar. And bg primary and save, and now style, which is necessary to put the width, or any other way if you just have to put the width you can put that 50% again, and any height I want, well, height 100% pixels. Save it and go to the browser and refresh that. Now you'll be able to see something new here. You can see that the 50% is this one, 50% is this one. So this is how you're now able to make multiple lines. If you just want to put more, make it 30%, 30%, 30, 30, and simply copy this one and go down here like that. And the primary, the success, the primary, and the primary, I'm just sending this primary into info and save, and now go to the browser back and refresh that. Now here you can see that 30 and 30 and 30. So this is how you can just make the multiple you can just put multiple progress bar in a single progress bar. So in the next lecture we'll be talking about something different. This was a fun class. nothing really typical to understand. So I hope you'll be active in the next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.